Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel in another video. If you have been wondering how can you check the screen time on your Android device, you're in the right place because today in this video I'll show you how can you do that in different methods. Just follow up with me till the very end of this video and let's jump right into it. First we need to go ahead and open settings because everything we do for this video is gonna be there. Open settings, and as you might know guys, Android phones are pretty different, but the methods right here work for basically every single version. Now from here go ahead and scroll, and some phones, once you open battery, you can find the battery usage right here, and once you scroll down a little bit you find the screen time right here. It shows you that my screen has been active for 5 hours, and these are the apps that used my battery and my power the most. You can check them out there, and you can swipe to the right side to access the battery states, like how many times have I charged it today and the temperature, and that's for the first method. Now for the second method we need to go back to the home screen on settings and go ahead and search for screen time or screen on time. For most devices it's going to be shown here, for mine it's not here. Let me show you another cool thing. Once you go back from here, tap on about phone and then go ahead and tap on detailed info and specs. This is for Redmi phones and probably Oppo phones as well. Now go ahead and scroll down and tap on status in the bottom right here, and from there scroll again and you'll find the uptime in the bottom. As you can see, I haven't turned off my phone for 46 hours. I guess that's a lot. I'd advise you to at least shut down your device once every 24 hours for best performance. Now that is that. If you want to find it from here, just go ahead and tap on the search bar at the top and search for uptime just like that. Wait a minute, yeah, uptime, and here it is. You can check it out very easily from there. And that is basically it for this video guys. If it was useful, please like and comment down below. Leave your questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel, and thank you very much for watching. See you on the next one.